So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
If it would have burned over there, it would have missed the horses, but it's just really sad knowing that these aren't just horses, these aren't just pets, you know, they're family to us too. You know, that's a really good reason why you shouldn't keep locks on their corrals. You know, a clip, I mean, something, but a lock, you can't get it off in an emergency. Look.
Oh my God.
It's still there?
We were able to get some more of the horses out that were still alive. One of them is at Pierce College, very badly burnt. But the others, they survived and they're okay. But we can't even say anything. Just